मोहतरम जनाब जोसेफ अरशद साहब जो कि फैसलाबाद डायसिस के बिशप थे, अब रावलपिंडी इस्लामाबाद में मुंतकिल हो गए हैं। इस पुरमसरत मौके पर एक पुरवकार तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया। मोहतरम जोसेफ अरशद ने तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए कहा,
As the new bishop of Islamabad Rawalpindi Diocese, and I ask that you pray for me that all that I do may be pleasing to the Lord and always be directed as work of praise to God and service to our community and the nation. I am deeply grateful to our Holy Father, Pope Francis, for the great trust he has placed in me by making me a bishop 4 years ago, and now sending me to you as Archbishop.